FlexClip video maker review. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use FlexClip to create our own videos. We'll also discover main features. So here we are on flexclip.com. I already have an account. The registration is quite simple and we'll come to this page here. So in the left side we have our main menu where we can create a video. Come to the home page. From this page we can easily find all the recent projects. Also we can discover different templates we can easily use, and on the my projects area we can also find all the projects. We can create different folders to organize them. On the my templates we can find saved templates, but it's available only for paid version. On stock video folder we can easily find a lot of stuff related with stock videos. They are divided into different categories. So we have like business, background, build date. There are a lot of basically categories we can easily discover. We also have like cloud storage and my fonts, and in the left bottom corner we can find all the information about our account. We can manage it right up here. So these are the main functions. So let's click on create a video to discover the process of creating. So we can just simply click on create, and now we need to choose edit mode and ratio. So like 16:9, 9:16, it depends on the content you want to create. So in my case, for example, I'm going to create a video for YouTube. Let it be like a horizontal video, and I'm going to choose the timeline mode. I think this is the easiest one. So let's click on get started. And in a few seconds we'll come to our editor where we can do some stuff. Basically in the left side we have like templates area. We can easily use a template. We can like customize as we need, for example this one here. So let's click on apply all 17 pages and let's click on replace, and this template will be successfully added to our project. Basically it may take a little time, and as you can see now we have a ready project which is contained from like 17 pages, which is pretty cool. And now we can simply customize every single element. If we'll go to media, we'll find all the stuff we can import. So we can import like photos, images, videos to interact with. Also we can record our screen. We can record a voice to add the voiceover. Also we can add like text to speech feature, and from phone so we can upload videos from our phone. We can also use like Google Drive, Google Photos, OneDrive or Dropbox to import files. On the text area we can interact with different text templates we can just simply use. Also in the future we can animate them by adding like in animation or out animation, but simply there are a lot of templates we can use. For example this one here, this one here. And if you'll go to subtitles, we can also create AI subtitles, which is pretty cool. On the video area, we can find all these stock videos we can use for free. So there are a lot of them, and we can even use search. For example, if you want the content related to business, we can just simply input business. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates we can simply use for free. The same thing with our photos. So if you'll go to photo area, we can find a lot of different photos. So let's try to find something. To find something related with nature maybe. And as you can see now we can find a lot of landscapes, a lot of different pictures. So as for me it's like pretty cool, you know. And if you'll go to audio, the same thing, find the different like stock audios we can simply use. A lot of different music divided into different categories. And on the elements you can add like different shapes, social stuff, cherry blossom, Giphy sticker, mask and frame, arrow, promo, bubble, and so on. So it's like pretty cool if you're going to create like promo company or some other stuff. On the overlays we can find a lot of different things. We can add like logo overlays, corporative overlays, decorative, big title overlays, and so on. So there are a lot of stuff we can do. And we also have like backgrounds where we can find like different background things like gradient photos, different photos, and so on. In order to interact with objects on our video, we can just simply find the necessary moment, maybe here, and we can interact with every single element. So as you can see, we have like this block here, this text here. On the next stage, we can find photo, we can find like text here, this icon. So it's pretty easy to like find everything which is what do we want to interact with. So, for example, if you want to manage these this image here, we can just simply click on it once more, and then we can just make it like this, change the corners, change it like this, make the shape, and which is pretty cool. So we can click on OK. As you can see, our shape was successfully changed. And the same way, if you're going to go to video, for example, we can add some additional parts here. So it's pretty cool. We can easily change the duration, we can split, we can trim or do some other stuff. So this is a way basically of how can we interact with videos. With text, if you're going to add this text here, for example, we can just simply click, input something like hello, and we can add like shadow, borders, hello, and so on. Which is interesting is like glow effect, border shadow, neon maybe, splice. So there are a lot of options we can easily use. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on save to save this project, or we can click on export, and now we can export it as a video in like 720p. So let's click on export, and in a few seconds, when every scan will be preset, we can just simply download this video. But if you click on save, now we can go back to FlexClip, and we can find it in our projects area. As you can see, it looks like this. We can download video, we can copy, share link, we can edit, duplicate, share settings, or delete. So this is the way of how can we interact with our project while it was processed. If you're going to discover the paid plans, we can find that we have like monthly bills like $40 and $21. And if you're going to pay annually, we can save up to 50%, so like $7 per month and like $40 per month, which is pretty cool. We can find all the differences, and what is really important is that we have like HD, full HD downloads quality. I think it's pretty cool. We also can use like 5 stock videos and audio projects, auto subtitles, a lot of cloud storage, background removal credits, and no-flicks watermark, which is really important. So this is the way of how can we use FlexClip Video Maker. It was like quick review for the FlexClip online video editor. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.